Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open Chrome and search for Google Family Link. From the search results, select the official Family Link website. Once it opens, sign in using your Google account. After signing in, confirm by selecting Yes. Next, follow the on-screen instructions provided. These steps will guide you through linking your child's Google account and setting up the Family Link app on their iPhone. During the setup, you'll be able to configure important parental controls, such as screen time limits, app permissions, and content filters. Once everything is complete, Family Link will allow you to monitor your child's activity, manage their device settings, and keep their online experience safe. So that's basically how you can set up Google Family Link on your child's iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.